25K of Colton Calvane.
Gage Porter back there. From the rear of the field. Zach Montague will lead them off. Colton Halpane to the outside.
And to the outside, the 17 of Kiowa Higdon out of Hayes. Road 4, the 04 of Allison Bird out of Brookville.
Back there.
To the outside, the 20.
Gage Porter, David Kopp.
Road 5.
Down the back stretch, they're going to turn 3. Zach Montague. Out of 4. Stay in it, boy. Stay in it. There you go, boy. 900 to go now. Colton Halpane, P2. Kiowa Higdon out front, looking good. He's got to hold it straight. If he can hold it together, he should pick up this heat win. Oh, we got one going around right there. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hey, Porter looking good. I see that. Colton Halpane trying to split the difference down the backstretch. He pulled up on the rear to 77. Can he find him? 77 top side of 3. Looks down on the bottom side of 4. Colton Halpane trying to find a position. You look good. Top side of 1. Not sure if he should have went up there or not. P2 Koppel on the inside of Colton. Battling out of turn 2. Austin Bird, Zach Montague. But out front, the number 17. Kiowa Higdon looking good. He's getting close to you. Come on! Come on! David Koppel on the inside. Austin Bird looks for him. Kiowa Higdon gets 2 to go this time by. 2 to go. Top side of 4. You look good. Come on, man, come on. Branson over reeled in Kiowa Higdon, but he would need 2 more laps to get it. Bottom side of 4, out of 4. He looks him over. Picking up the win, Kiowa Higdon. Branson Horner, right.
Third place and 8th place get an extra $50 as well. Brought to you by Lagoon Racing. So extra.
Give a big shout out to Lagoon Racing and Auto Repair. Throwing in on this Memorial race. This regular payout. You usually don't run across too many Memorial races with not an extra payout, but it is what it is.
Memorial race.
We'll take it from there. They got 11 of them out here tonight. David Koppel will start them out on the inside. He's got Kiowa Higdon. He picked up the heat win earlier tonight, ladies and gentlemen, coming from P3. But in P2, we got the 77, Brittendall out of Salina, Kansas. He'll look up here at Thad Clovis. Green flag. Let's get in it, boy. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Austin Bird slung it in there real quick. Koppel squeezes all of them off. Branson Horner on the inside, back down the backstretch. He's got room. He's got room. Koppel slides up into Kiowa Higdon. Branson's still there. Watch him, watch him, watch him, watch him.
around out of turn.
Ladies and gentlemen, after the caution, Kyle Higdon lead him off. Branston Arner P2, David Koppel, Austin Bird, Zach Montague. Not sure what's going on with Allison Bird back there, but you better get it up there. Get back, Racy. They're going racing. Get back.
Proper lineup, single file order. Kyle Higdon, Branston Arner Jr., Dave Koppel, and Austin Bird. Looking a little green out of turn number 4. Big Bat Dad says, let's go racing.
Koppel right there in 3rd. Austin Bird 4th. Zach Montague back there in P5. Out of 4. Branston Arner looks on the inside of him down there. Come on! Come on! Let's go! Austin Bird trying to get around the 45 of David Koppel. Out of Junction City, Kansas. P5 back there. David Koppel in 3rd. Branston Arner looking at him on the inside. Bring it! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on, Bo! Setup is perfect for what turn 2 tonight. Branston and Kyle both top side of 3. Branston bottom side of 4. Looking at him down there. Come on! Come on! Come on! There you go! Now go, 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 go! Allison Bird on the inside of her boyfriend, Alec Jeske. Give it up one more time for your winner of the 15th Kyle race. Take the big win. Great talk. Race. All the way. Come in. The winners are a little. Hey, go over there and talk about it, Lacey. Sign last year. There you go. Good job, my man. Good job.
Almost, man.
Yes, sir.
I have never won a feature race. This feels pretty dang good. All the races I've gone all over the country for, this beats them all. I'm telling you, Probably the best track I've seen all year.
Woo! Well, you know what? You have worked your way to get here, but tonight, man, you won the big one. It's the 15th annual Barry Brittendall Memorial Race. So this is not only just a feature win tonight, you're gonna take that big championship. So good driving, my man. Anybody you want to give a big shout out to?
Man, you got me into this, Mark Rathman of Rockford Ranch. I mean, then I gotta thank Jerry Garrison of Vance Glass. Emmett Beaker works his tail off for this. Gary Hazelhorse Builders, DHC Construction, and everybody that makes this possible. I really appreciate it.
Great job again, my man. Congratulations. Once again, let's give it up for Kyle. Give it up one more time.
There's a lot of people here. Get on in here.
Hey, you gonna look this way?
Everybody hold up number 1.
Like Greg says? Yeah, exactly.
I got an easy question.
Don't give him trophies. Come here. Over, around.
Bryson, get over there beside brother. Hurry up.
Let's go.
Good job, Austin.
Oh yeah, he gave me a good pass.
And then who got 8?
Austin.
Gotcha.
Thank you, sir.
What's going on, Gage? Thanks for racing with us, man.
Next one, right here. Which side do you want? Doesn't matter. You pick. You want that side? Where's me?
One more, guys. Tammy! He's the hard charger. Did you say Kyle was the hard charger?
Kyle.
Yeah.
He started 3rd. He passed 2 cars?
Is there 10?
There's 11. There was only 10
Oh,
trophies
okay.
total.
That's fine. There's only 10 trophies. Okay. Come on. Yeah, they'll understand this dude's been around this racetrack longer than any of us been alive.
Sure.
Eight was right here.
Alec Jessup.
Right here. Yep.
42.
Right here. Yep. Right there, buddy.
Oh, he's got a car that finished and didn't blow up.
I know.